Hi friend, welcome back to the Rec Trends channel. Let's return to the video about the BMW XM Super midsize luxury pickup truck now that the X-related controversy has been cleared up. Therefore, it was quite clear that the 2023 BMW XM Super SUV would get a lot of, occasionally unpleasant, attention across the virtual automobile world. And no effort has been spared by computer artists in either glorifying or disgracing the XM to unprecedented CGI heights. As usual, some of them are still up for debate. Sometimes, it's impossible to tell if an artist was attempting to degrade the XM or was really trying to make it better. That might be stated of the most current XM Supervan conversion, which gave the vehicle an angry piglet-like appearance, maybe due to the fact that it was not even a 6-door cab forward conversion. In the meanwhile, we're rather certain that Kleber Silva, a virtual artist based in Brazil who goes under the online handle kdesignag, has chosen to have some serious, capable fun with the 2023 BMW XM. His first CGI task was to morph a full-size heavy-duty vehicle based on the Ram 2500 HD series to make the Bavarian SUV even larger. Also, it seemed to be oppressive. There is now a second version of the vehicle that condenses the full-size luxury super SUV to more compact dimensions, much like the Mercedes-Benz X-Class, since maybe it did not quite strike the proper luxury pickup feelings for everyone. The author's primary motivation, however, was to combine the divisive XM design with the appearance and functionality of the genuine, unique BMW X7 pickup truck from 2019. Thank you for watching.